Good morning. Starting, this is day 6? I don't even know. Leaving Asheville. Asheville? Jeez, I don't know anything this morning. I'm not sure what's happening. But heading out, today will be my biggest day of the ride, like 60 miles, almost 4,000 feet, and there's a bunch of deer in front of me. Hi deers. Anyway, that was a nice way to wake up. Anyway, biggest day climbing. Climb starts like 1,300 foot climb starts pretty much around the corner. Oh, hi dears. They're up on the hill watching. Happy deers. 1,300 foot climb starts right off the get-go. No warm up. 60 miles today into Maupin. Just gonna keep on going. Made it to the top of the first climb today. Good morning. Good morning. How beautiful is this? Whew. Can't beat this beauty. No, just more crazy beauty. I can imagine having that house up there and looking at this every day. Insane behind me too. What a way to spend the morning. Legs are feeling good. Still feeling pretty decent, like feeling surprisingly good today. For day 6, I've never ridden this many miles, this many days in a row before, so pretty happy so far. Got a long way to go today though. It's been an hour and a half, I've only been 7 miles. It's been all climbing. Should have some decent downhill here, then I'm gonna hit some paved road. It'll be mostly a paved road ride into Maupin, I think. Here we go for another climb. Oh, it's fucking beautiful up here. Are you kidding me right now? Like, are you kidding me? Oh. Yep. Just went through Antelope, stopped for some snacks. I was kind of hoping there'd be a store in Antelope, but there is not. I've climbed 2,300 feet so far. I have a 1,000 foot climb out of Antelope. I'm hoping it's Shaniko. It's the next town. I would like to get some real food there when I get there. But at this rate, it's going really slow today. Averaging 6 miles an hour on my longest day, which is 60 miles. That means for a 10-hour day. So I'm hoping after this climb I can pick up the speed for the rest of the day. And just over 22 miles, I think, for the day. Shaniko's 8 miles. I think this climb is like 3 miles. 3 miles of climbing left. And it's gonna be slow because I'm exhausted. At least the view is epic. There's barely any cars on the roads at all, which is nice. The pavement's super smooth. Just keep on going. Well, on this highway for 1.5 miles. Made it through the bulk of the climbing today. It was brutally slow. Jesus. Glad I'm only on this for a mile and a half. Literally giving no room. Alright. Coming down the hill into Maupin. So then to day 6. Might be some lodges here of some sort. I might try to get a room. If not, I can head into the start of tomorrow's ride and grab a campsite. Kind of like a shower though. Had a nice meal. Oh, we'll see.